Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. We meet again in this channel, brother and sister. Let's talk about the supply voltage to the processor on a laptop. This supply voltage is certainly needed so that the processor can work, as other electronic components always require a supply voltage which is usually connected to the VCC or VDD pin or using another code. On the processor, the supply voltage code usually uses VCC core or VCore. So where does this voltage come from? This VCore voltage source in general and almost all laptop models is from the primary source, both from the charger and from the battery. If the charger is connected to the laptop, then it is taken from the charger voltage. If the charger is not connected, then the voltage is taken from the battery. However, of course, the values are not the same. If the voltage from the charger is 19 volts, then the voltage on the VCore is not 19 volts. And if the source is 12 volts from the battery, then the VCore voltage is not 12 volts. The voltage from the main source is controlled in sucked away by the PWM circuit to be adjusted to the value required by the processor. And please note that the voltage value will vary along with the performance of the processor. The schematic that we use as an example is the schematic of the Acer laptop with model Z1402. Okay, let's continue. For example, we are opening a program that is rather heavy on a laptop. Then the VCore voltage will also change. Like PWM circuits in general, this VCore also consists of a control IC and is connected to the MOSFETs in the output section. This MOSFET works as a switching component whose flame and that form a certain voltage wave which the controller IC adjusts to match what the processor needs. On this VCore voltage line, there are also several capacitors that work as voltage filters. This capacitor will remove voltage ripple or voltage debris, which reduces its DC level. With this said, the voltage cannot be pure DC. I'm sorry you already understand this. Okay, my friends, this is a glimpse of how the processor supply voltage on a laptop is formed. Hopefully useful. See you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.